In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a website that's going to actually pay you out 0.003 BTC, and I'm going to show you a strategy on how you can actually get this amount every single day. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. I have talked about this website in the past. I'm just going to show you payment proof that this is actually working. I'm also going to show you how long it takes in order for me to receive my crypto. So let's get started with this. So here is the strategy that I'm going to show you first off on how to actually use this website. If you don't know what this website is, it's pretty much like a faucet. All you have to do is come in every hour, click on this claim button that's going to make you do a captcha real quick, and after that you just have to start to grow your levels. In order to grow your levels, you have to wager, which wager means is coming over here to the games and inside of the games playing these. So this is my setup on actually wagering and making this last a very long time. Is I just use 1 Satoshi and I click on auto and I do the roll over to win 51.50, and then I click on this and increase by 100% and just click on auto start. This is pretty much like the little strategy that I use, because the point is we need to let this run as long as possible so we can get more profit and more losses, because that's wagering, guys. So that is the strategy that I use. A lot of people like to actually just try to earn up as much crypto as possible, but that is not the idea with this website. The idea with this website is trying to wager as much as possible, not actually earn as much as possible, guys. So that is the strategy that I use. I just let this run 24 hours a day until this balance goes to 0, and then I just claim the faucets again, because I can earn it even quicker by just wagering more and more and more until I reach like the gold level, and then platinum level, and then diamond, and then master. This is around $10 an hour, guys. So this is going to pay out $10 every single hour. So that's my goal, is just working my way up to master. But I'm going to withdraw right now in front of your guys' eyes to show you that this is actually paying. And if you scroll down just a tiny bit, you can see the Trustpilot, 868 reviews, almost a 5-star rating on Trustpilot. So now let's get started with this withdrawal. So let's go to withdrawal really quick. Let's go to enter the BTC address. I'm going to come over here to BetFury because I'm actually doing another strategy with BetFury, and I'm showing you this right here, guys. So we're going to deposit some crypto in here. So I'm going to copy this address, and then we're going to come back over here, guys, to BTC Maker. I'm going to be leaving the links down below for all of the websites that I'm talking about in today's video. So now we're going to copy this right here, copy and paste that in, and it's going to give us a 6,000 Satoshi transaction fee, so which is totally fine. Let's click on withdraw, and I'll be back once the transaction has been completed. So I just went to confirm the actual transaction. So now it says pending, and as you can see right here, guys, I did deposit some money to make this go quicker. So this was a long time ago. You can see the dates right here. Now I'm withdrawing this amount back out of the system. So now this is becoming that I only invested 0.0013, and then I'm going to be withdrawing that amount. So let's say I'm going to save up to another 0.003 BTC inside of this website, and then I'm going to withdraw all of that cryptocurrency. Now this website is just going to be earning me some passive income without me doing really anything at all, but just coming in, claiming this faucet every hour, and then just withdrawing free crypto. So this is how strategies work. This is how you use these websites to your advantage in order to start earning some free cryptocurrency and growing it on different platforms. You can see how much I'm earning inside of BetFury right here as well. So we come over here and we copy this, and I'm going to be leaving the links to BetFury's website down below, and also a video that I'll talk about BetFury and how you can actually use it to your advantage. So let's search to see how much that is in Bitcoin. So BTC to USD. Make sure you watch this video about BetFury so you can know how to use it to your advantage. That is $41.78. So once my deposit gets put inside of this account, it should be around $50 and free cryptocurrency that I'm playing with and earning even dividends with BetFury. Make sure you watch this video, guys, and I'll be back to you in a bit. So as you can see, just a couple of hours later, it has been completed, and I went to go check, and as you can see right here, the crypto has been deposited inside of my account. So you can see the reason why I'm actually using BTC Maker and actually wagering as much as possible so I can actually level up as quickly as possible, guys. You can get started right now by clicking the link down in the description of this video and getting started either for free or investing just a bit of crypto, of your own crypto, in order to actually boost this up to make it go work even quicker for you. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up, and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team would do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.